Commissionerate of Food Safety Government of Meghalaya ka code application ya ki candidate ki bala man apply ya ka post food analyst but chemist ka post peningkong food analyst number of post tangkawai age limit kat kum ka jumbo ka government ta ka salary kalong prapo hajar shibnai dan jumpa kalong lebih dengan pendapat master degree in chemistry, biochemistry, lani microbiology, lani dairy chemistry or food technology. Lani degree undan kedan bachelor of technology in dairy oil, lani degree in veterinary science, naga university jo Hapo India. But degree undan naga experience om dunaya ka license harga analysis of food. Post baar kalong chemistry number of post actually age limit kung ga jumbo government ta ka salary kalong laipo hajar shibnai ta ka kedan jingpule kalong bpd pendep ka master degree in chemistry biochemistry lani microbiology kumno pin apply ya kan ka post ki application video dap haki standard form but ki documents baro ki bala dap self attested bila men submit shaka office of commissioner of food safety health complex Hapo Laim Kra hal ni shwa ka 3 Jun arajar arpuar